Welcome to coloring your hair with Madison Reed Radiant Cream Color and Color Reviving Gloss. Start with dry, unwashed hair. The day after your last shampoo is best. Wear a shirt that opens in the front and have towels on hand. Always wear your gloves and conduct a sensitivity test 48 hours before applying. Prep your hair by dividing, then clipping into 4 separate sections. Apply the included barrier cream to prevent staining on your forehead, neck, and ears. Don't get the barrier cream on your hair as it will block the color from your hair. Wash and dry your hands and put on the gloves provided. Begin mixing your Radiant Cream color by puncturing the color tube with its cap. Squeeze the color into the conditioning cream applicator bottle. Replace and tighten the cap and shake for 20 seconds. Your Color Reviving Gloss needs no mixing. First, apply the Radiant Cream color to your roots, focusing on areas where your hair may be gray and resistant to color. This is usually at the front hairline and at the natural part in your hair. Work in 1/4 inch sections. As you apply color to each section of your hair, use your gloved fingers to massage it into your roots. Make sure you completely saturate your hair with the Radiant Cream color at the roots. When you finish applying the color, go back to your gray-resistant areas and add more color. Set a timer for 35 minutes. If you are covering any grays or have color-resistant hair, set your timer for 45 minutes. Let your color process. When you're done applying the Radiant Cream color, take your Color Reviving Gloss and simply squeeze the gloss onto the mid-lengths and ends of your hair. If you get it on the roots where the color is, don't worry. The Color Reviving Gloss won't interfere with the Radiant Cream color. When you are finished applying, put on the cap provided in your kit. Use the cleansing wipe provided to clean any color off your skin. When your processing time is up, rinse your hair until the water runs clean. Then shampoo, condition, and enjoy your gorgeous, glossy new hair color.